Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to get approvals for Google slide decks and presentations. So if we click on File, about halfway down we have Approvals. I'm going to click on that. Now, notice what Approvals is. Right, we have to request approval, and what that means is we're getting feedback and approval that we need to finalize our file, and then we have to click on Make a Request. And the reason we would do something like this is, suppose you're working on a team, but there's a team leader who has to approve different files, wording, things that might get published to the public and whatnot. And they have the ultimate authority on what goes out. So you might need approval before you can finalize this project from the person in charge. You can add that person as an approver. You can let them know what specifically you want them to look for, give them a due date. Let's say this project is due in a week and you want to make sure that you get their approval with at least 3 days to spare, so you can add a due date for something like that. You can allow approvers to make the edits that they think are necessary, or you can lock them out and it will keep the file the same, and they can just suggest things that get updated. But this is a really neat request that you can make to someone who doesn't want you to send things out without their knowing, and that could fall back on them. That might be their responsibility. So it's nice that Google added this. It may come in handy on occasion, but it helps to make sure that we cover our behinds when it comes to publishing files.